Qualified theft ang kasong isinampa ni Kim Chiu laban sa kanyang kapatid na sila Cam sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office noong December 2, 2025. Maraming mga netizen na nagtatanong at nagsasabing malaking pera ang involved. Kaya naman bago makasuhan ng qualified theft ang isang tao ay merong mga requirements. Ayon na rin sa revised penal code, ang qualified theft o pagnanakaw ng pag-aari ng iba at pagsira sa tiwala ng taong pinagnakawan. Kung magkakaroon nga ng patunay na guilty ang nasabing sinampahan ng kaso, ang maaaring parusa niya ay prisyon mayor, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years, o reklusyon temporal 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Sabi pa sa ilang mga website, kung ang ninakaw ay nagkakahalaga ng 4.4 million o higit pa, maaaring maparusahan ang may sala ng reklusyon perpetua o 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Pero ano nga ba ang nangyari sa magkapatid na si Kim Chiu? Matatandaang may mga cryptic post noon si Kim na tila nagkakaroon nga ng family problem. Kaya naman paglabas ng kanyang kaso. Kaya naman pagdating ng December 2 na kung saan ay isinapubliko na ni Kim ang pagsasampa niya ng kaso laban sa kanyang kapatid na sila Cam. Kaya naman nagbigay si Kim ng full statement sa pamamagitan ng post ng Star Magic at ito nga ay mababasa sa kanilang Instagram. Ayon kay Kim, I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Nakambini Chiu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take a formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is a private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself but also for the brand and community that supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding, respect as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved. Sa puntong ito ay umaasa naman ng mga netizen na magiging maayos ang proseso ng kasong ito at magiging maayos din eventually ang relasyon ni Kim at ng kanyang kapatid na sila Cam.